Dun 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 dun.
Hi everybody, this is Bandit from Big Boy Gaming. First time we're doing a actual live video instead of just video game play. Today I decided to pick up my wife a gaming laptop. So she has always told me the reason that she will not play video games with me is she gets all of my hand-me-down computers. And I'll just be honest, by the time I give them over to her, they're really not worth anything. That's my little daughter. She's a future gamer on the way. But yeah, she always says that my old computers are pieces of crap, and I will definitely agree with her. So today while I was out at Best Buy, I seen the Omen by HP, so I decided to pick it up for her. Some highlights just from what I seen there. We got a 1 terabyte hard drive, which I know is not crazy, super powerful today. But it does have 12 gigs of internal RAM and a AMD graphics card. I think it's an 850. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into unboxing this thing and show you what's inside of it. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get this bad boy open. Alright. So let's see what we got.
Ooh, it's pretty.
So, styrofoam, we don't need that. A little artwork they give you. Some features here on the back. As it shows you here, it gives you instructions on how to plug up your laptop. I really hope by now, with it being 2018, that you know how to plug a laptop into a wall and hit the power button. And then it gives you some local system information, so we can just kind of throw that out. Let's get down to what we really want to see in this guy right here. So, nice little covering with it. Little piece of tape. Well, that is pretty. So there is the front. We'll kind of go over to the bottom. Looks like they put a little bit of thought into the design here, which I would hope for what I paid for it. And we'll go ahead and open it up. Some more felt on the inside to make sure that we don't tear it up. And this is it. Alright, so before we turn this bad boy on, let's see what else we got on the inside of the box. More styrofoam. Another little box down here at the bottom, so we can pull that out. My wife's gonna love cleaning that up. So on the inside, looks like we have a monstrous power supply and a wall plug, and some information on tech support. And that's pretty much it. Oh, and some stickers. We got some Omen stickers. I'm sure my children will have them before I actually put them on anything. So we'll throw this over here. What?
Those are my boxes, and you're throwing them.
Alright, so we're going to go ahead and cut the video here. When we come back, we'll have this bad boy plugged up, and we'll see what it does.
Dun 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 dun. And go.
Alright, so let's power this bad boy on and see what we got. Yes, it lights up, honey.
I know. So fancy.
Digging the logo. That's the same face my wife makes when she loses at video games.
When he can beat me.
Oh yeah, really?
Ooh, that's cool.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
First computer I've had to actually talk to
Or
me.
the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, you can just mute your PC. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to enable narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to United States. Is that right?
Last time I checked.
Yes. Yes.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
Yes.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
No.
Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible. How about the first one on the list? Want to use that one?
No.
Okay, how about this next one on the list?
Yeah, we'll just pick.
Now look for any updates.
Oh no.
The worst part of owning a computer. Alright, so once we get through the updates, we'll come back to the video, guys. Thanks for tagging along so far.
I see all your trash over there in the corner. You're cleaning it up.
I am not. I opened your gift, and now you're going to clean up the mess.
Yeah, we'll see how well it works out for you. Instant karma.
Yeah, that was my shin bone on the table. Woohoo, let's start. All right. So, let it do its thing here for a second. Yeah, we'll deal with that later. So, a little Omen button down here. Let's see what this is for. The Omen Command Center. Send Cortana away. Alright, let's accept some terms and conditions here. Well, that is awesome. So it looks like it's going to tell you your utilization of your GPU, CPU, and your memory. Network booster, so it can help with some bandwidth. Looks like we can put some macros in there. So that's going to be corresponding to these buttons down here. And the network booster, well, that's awesome. So it looks like we'll be able to go in and prioritize what we want to get our internet connection to. And go into some settings on this. All right, so here's the background on the computer. Pretty dope for sure. And let's get into...
Can I play with it now?
No, you can't play with it now. I got to download all your stuff to it.
I want it.
Nope, not at all.
That's right, Rory, you tell me.
All right, we're going to start downloading her different games and things on this. And if we have time, we'll upload what they look like through the new computer. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully there will be more to come. Do have a monitor unboxing that we're going to be doing. Currently going to be switching my computer now from one monitor to two. So be on the lookout for that as well, guys. Thank you very much for watching. And once again, Bandit out.